Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Microsoft just dropped Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 26120.3585 KB 5053644 and it's packing some serious upgrades, especially for Copilot Plus PC users. But even if you don't have one of those yet, there are fixes and tweaks you will wanna know about. I will break it all down fast, no fluff, just the facts. Let's dive in. First, this is a beta channel exclusive, so if you are a Windows Insider running version 24S2, you will see KB 5053644 in Windows Update. New tester might get it in two steps. First, they will get the build 26120.3360, then jump to 3585. Here is a pro tip: some feature only roll out if you toggle get the latest updates in the settings. I will call those out as we go. So what this update brings new features? Number one, you will see smarter Windows search in Copilot Plus PCs. Semantic search now works on AMD and Intel Copilot PCs, not just Snapdragon. Ask for files like my text document from March and Windows understand, but this is a gradual rollout. Toggle is required. Good news for everyone. File Explorer now closes instantly. No more hanging for 2 seconds after hitting X. You will also see a cleaner navigation pane for File Explorer. Microsoft have also fixed uneven spacing in File Explorer sidebar. Small ticks but big visual upgrade. Now for the bug squashes rolling out to all beta testers. Windows Update recovery works again. No more errors when troubleshooting. The get the latest update toggle won't randomly disable itself. The File Explorer buttons are finally behaving. Heads up tester, a new quirks remain. Recall on Copilot Plus PCs might not save snapshots. Taskbar Manager shows 0% CPU usage for system idle, and after a reboot, your build number might display wrong. To get KB 5053644, go to Settings, under Windows Update, hit check for updates, and toggle on the get the latest updates for early access to the feature. Microsoft has been working on optimizing the performance of extracting zip file within File Explorer, especially when handling a large number of smaller files. They are also addressing a bug that causes the settings apps to crash for insider navigating to system under power and battery. In this build, text in advanced camera option found under Bluetooth and devices under camera might not display correctly. Microsoft is also fixing a problem that causes File Explorer Home to crash for some insiders. As a temporary workaround, launching File Explorer into a different folder via search or the run dialog allows users to access their directories. Another issue causing the File Explorer to crash while moving or renaming specific files is also being worked on. Efforts are underway by Microsoft team to resolve a problem where taskbar icon failed to scale up appropriately when using the PC in a tablet posture. Following the introduction of the new CPU utility column, the system idle process currently appears as 0. Additionally, CPU graphs on the performance page are still displaying data based on the older CPU utility calculations. So smarter search, snappier explorer, and solid fixes. What's your favorite change? Let me know in the comments. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more Windows deep dives, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.